Hello everyone, welcome to Faisal Television. Today I have this sharp 40-inch LED TV. The problem is protection. Red light is blinking. So let's get started. I will show you how to repair protection problem. I turn on. Release from standby. Okay. After a while, shut down. One, two, three, 4, 5. So I will show you how to reset this main board. Press this power button. Few seconds. Okay, already on service mode. Now goes to service mode. Okay, option number 2 goes to reset, error reset. 1 is 0 and 1 is 5. Scroll down, press enter from remote control. Okay, factory inlet. Press enter. The screen becomes green color. Now we turn off the TV. Okay, done. Sharp AQUOS 40-inch LED TV. Repair protection problem. 5 times red light blinking. 5 times blinking. Reset this mainboard. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any information kindly contact me.